Kayong dalawa buyag-buyag. Happy Sunday! Time check, 10:03 ng umaga. I'm gonna do Vietnamese cafe. Okay, go say hello to... I finish your food first.
Hello guys!
Aray, hindi ko naabot.
Hello guys!
Happy-ya! 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 Hey! Happy-ya! Happy-ya! Hey! I am perfect. It's from that brand. So, yung gagawin is lalagyan muna ng condensed milk yung cup mo. Oh my gosh, bakit ang lalayo ng mga gamit hindi natin maabot? Aray. Ito din na-open ko na because nagiinom-inom ako ng kape na mayroong condensed milk instead of sugar. Pero hindi ko pa nagawa to. Ito pa yung first time na gagawin ko siya with the actual like Vietnamese coffee. Si Dan, alam nyo bang natulog guys? Siguro mga 5:30 na ng umaga. Nanood ng Olympics. Kasi ilang beses ako nagigising sa gabi, diba? Pag-gising ko, nag-check ako ng oras. Wala pa din si Dan. Dito pa din sa baba. Hanggang sa kaninang umaga, lumipat si Ayla sa room namin, alas 5 na. Nahanap niya yung daddy niya kasi wala yung daddy niya sa room. So sabi ko, o nga no, alas 5 na. I-check mo nga doon kung anong ginagawa. Baka nakatulog na sa couch. Pag ano ko, silip ko dito, wala. Nanonood talaga. Gising na gising ang ating Danny boy. Alright, so this is the coffee that I got from Trung. Oh, same brand siya nung ating... Parang, ano ba to tawag? Coffee sifter? I don't know, I'm sorry. Yung nakita ko lang sa TikTok, dapat may screw. Yung sabi nila, yung may screw yung dito, na isuscrew mo siya ganun. Wala tong screw. As in, ilalapat mo lang talaga siyang ganyan. Hindi pa ako nakatry ng legit na Vietnamese coffee dyan sa Pinas. Yung first time ko na-try actually was yung Vietnamese coffee ng Dunkin' Donut. Yung recent trip lang natin. And it's not close to the taste, guys. Hindi talaga siya. Parang kape lang na regular kape, tas nilagyan ng, feeling ko lang ha, nilagyan lang ng condensed milk. Yun lang, para matawag na Vietnamese coffee. But yeah, it's really far from like the actual Vietnamese coffee na gusto ko, yung nabibili ko sa ano, restaurant, Vietnamese restaurant mismo. 2 packets yung laman. Yung sa Vietnamese ko, yun yung may itlog, yung Vietnamese coffee nila talaga. Hindi pa ako nakapunta ng Vietnam eh. Kaya lang mahirap na kasi. Wala na siya sa lista muna namin. Kasi ang dami na nating anak. But yeah, before nung kami lang dalawa ni Dan, hindi namin siya pinili kasi si Dan nakapunta na dun maraming beses. Oh my gosh, ang bango! Ilan ba dapat ganito? Wait sa... 3 tablespoons? As in 3 tablespoons. Yes! Oh, I can see it. I can see it, Alo. I-on ko lang yung coffee machine namin kasi doon ko kukunin yung hot water. Ayoko nang ilabas yung on kettle. 1, 2, 3. In fairness, naamoy ko sa kanya yung ano... yung Vietnamese coffee na binibili ko. Sana masarap. 20 ml lang daw.
Mommy, look at them. Look at them. They're so cute. Mom.
Yes. Oh my gosh, they're so cute.
This is the mommy.
And then maglagay na ng 45 ml. Mali-mali na to, guys. Tama na siguro yun. Tapos ilagay niya yung cup. Tapos just let it drip. Ayan, nagdi-drip na siya. Frosted lang kasi yung aking pakapi, ano. So, hindi nyo makita. But, that's it. Hayaan lang daw yan siya dyan. Well done. Alright, inom na ako, guys. And meron pang natitirang tubig, kaya lang sinobraan ko din kasi siya ng tubig. So, I think I'm good.
I am punky.
I-ano ko lang to, i-mix ko lang to. Tapos, lagyan mo to ng maraming ice. Oh my gosh, ito yung amoy. Tapos, lagyan ng maraming ice. Oh my gosh, ang sarap-sarap nito, guys. Tikman ko, ha. my gosh, it is. That is my coffee. Guys, I am happy to report it's the same. It's the same one that I get from the shop. As in yung lasa, same talaga. Hindi ko siya nilagyan ng milk. Yun lang talaga. Yung pure kape at saka condensed milk. Yun lang. And maraming ice. But yun na yung lasa. As in, same na same. Kaya lang hihintayin ko na mag-melt pa more yung ice. Kasi ang konti lang nung kape. Ganyan lang siya kadami tingnan because I put a lot of ice. Nag-add pa ako. Kasi it is strong, but it's really good. Pili tayo ng bread. Gusto kong kainin yung ano ni Dan, ensaymada. Hindi niya kinain kahapon. Kaya lang sa kanya yan. Isa lang yung binili namin yan. Yung pandikuko masarap, guys. Isa lang yung binili ko. Dalawa siya sa isang pack. So, kinain ko na yung isa kahapon. Hopya is good as well. And binangkal is actually good. Nakadalawa na ako ng binangkal kahapon. Ito na lang, ubusin ko na lang pandikuko. Initin ko konti. Siguro mga 10 seconds. Ayun, 10 seconds lang. Mainit na siya. Kain. Time check. 2:13 na ng hapon, guys. Pupunta pala kami kina Lyra mamayang gabi. So you just twist it like this. See? Twist. Don't make a mess, ha? Please. Daddy just cleaned up. Pagising ni Daddy, diretso siya dito sa baba. Naglinis siya dito, guys. Nag-vacuum, nag-put away ng mga toys. Nag-laundry kasi ako, so naghang ako ng clothes. Pagbaba ko, ang linis-linis na. But mamaya lang, nakalat na naman to. Sarap nito, guys. Binangkal. Nakain na ako ng isa. And then...
Hindi want some.
Huh?
Hindi want some.
Hindi wants those? Sige. Me? No, I don't want it. Thank you.
I don't want.
Buti na lang hindi ko kinain yung ano, ang tawag dun, ensaymada. Kasi pagising Dan, yun yung kinain niya. And alam nyo ba, 6:30 na daw siya natulog. Yung taong to. 6:30? Yung sa taas, maliligo na yun, guys. What are you doing?
Washing it. This is free more.
Okay. Don't touch this, ha? I'm letting this dry.
Mom, can you...
What?
Why don't you just do it?
Okay.
I want to hold. I want split.
Oh, wow. You mixing?
A milkshake. Mom, yeah, I don't want to wash the dishes, but I'm making soupy.
Okay.
Yeah, soupy. I'm making gummy bears.
Are you?
I'm making not healthy gummy bears. And milk gummy bears too.
Healthy gummy bears?
Yeah.
Good job. Here, this needs to be washed too. Are you finished with this? You done playing?
Hello, I got cheese cream, guys.
We're snacking, guys.
Snacking that.
We are snacking.
There's a cheese cream and that cheese.
I got potato chips and Isla's eating her favorite cheese ring. Ako na talaga nakapajamas pa din hapon na. Don't touch your couch with your dirty hands.
What's this, guys?
Do you want to show the guys?
Yeah. Can we take a photo to you?
Of course. We can take a photo.
Just don't take a photo.
Do you want me to take a photo now? Okay.
Like, I want to do this.
Alright. You should wear a cardigan, Bob. Like Mama. Look. What do you want to do?
I want to be the Santa.
Huh? You want to build what?
A Santa.
Sandcastle? This is not sand. Maaga pa, guys. 4:52.
That's the
Hindi ko alam kung ano oras kami alis. Baka 5:30 kami alis. Punta kami kina Lyra. Nag-invite si Inday ng dinner. Okay. What do you want to do?
I'm trying to do this.
We'll bring a cardigan, okay? Because you might get cold.
I might do
Like
this.
Mama, see? Mommy's wearing a
I
cardigan.
might do this.
You can do that, yeah. Please, please, please.
Please. I need to
Asan na si Arlo, ate? Si Arlo na talaga ang nagsusulo. Nandun na naman sa baba na nanonood ng TV. Bumaba siya mag-isa. Dito kami kanina. Ang saya-saya namin. Nagka-hangout kami. Dito sa bed. Si Daddy, relaxing si Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy's sleeping.
Daddy sleepy?
It's morning.
Daddy sleeping even if it's morning, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, why?
He's laying down.
He's just laying down.
Yeah,
He's tired?
he's
Yeah.
not tired.
He's not tired? Ang haba ng nails ko, pero hindi pa ako nababother sa kanya. But yeah, okay lang naman.
Mommy, I want makeup too.
Yung makeup too? Okay, sige. Anong makeup gusto mo? Just don't mess it up, ha? Organize na yung makeup ko. And gagawa ako ng brownies. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya gagawin. Kung ibibake ko na siya ngayon.
Water.
Hindi ko siya pwede i-bake ngayon. Kulang na tayo ng oras.
Why is that in there?
Yeah, I got that.
Why is that?
Hindi ko siya mabibake ngayon. Kulang ako ng oras na. I love to make. Ay, naku. It's messy. I organized it really well. Siguro i-mix ko na lang yung
This is lipstick.
brownie mix. Tapos, yeah, sige. Tapos doon na lang i-bake, no? Kasi magbe-bake sana ako noon kagabi. Sabi ni Dan, hindi na kailangan. Hindi siya nagutom na. So maybe, babe, I'll just mix the brownie up and then just bake it there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy, can you help me?
Please?
We'll
Please.
bring the Oscar now.
Yeah.
Please. 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 Please.
Please, please, please. And prove I'm
Please,
wrong.
Mommy.
Okay. So, what do you want me to do?
Lipstick.
Lipsticks. Lipsticks. Do you want me to do it? Oh. Okay. Ay, laki na ng tiyan ko. Bukas 34 weeks na ako, guys. And then may appointment ako sa backup midwife ko kapag nag-36 weeks ako. So just in case hindi available yung midwife ko ngayon, na yun yung lagi kong kinikita, at least kilala ko na yung backup midwife ko. So I will meet her. Hala. 36 weeks. You're so pretty.
Can I see in the mirror?
Sure you can. Go look in the big mirror there. You look beautiful?
Yeah.
Good job.
We
Please.
both have the same lipsticks.
We both have same lipsticks, yeah. Kaya lang ika-cover ko yung akin itong Dear Darling tint.
I don't see
Kasi medyo may pagka-bright ito.
Mommy, I did.
Hmm.
I did the
Ooh.
other one.
Yeah. It was a lazy Sunday for us, guys. Well, hindi pa tapos, but so
I
far,
do you tint too.
lazy Sunday. Magdadrive naman sana kasi kami ngayon. Kung hindi nag-invite si Lyra,
Lila!
nag-drive na sana kami ngayon sa kung saan. Mag-picnic, ganun.
Mom, where's this guy?
Kasi ayaw nga naming naka-ano lang sa bahay. Ay nag-invite si Lyra. Tapos ang tagal pa nagising ni Daddy. So yan, dito lang kami sa bahay. Nag-laundry lang ako. Nagligpit ng kalat many times. Can you get the blocks, please? You said you're gonna build something and you didn't build something. Can you grab the blocks, please? We need to make sure that the house is clean before we leave. Because that's it. That's the cleanup for tonight. Because we will get home late tonight and we will not have time to clean up. So before we go, the house needs to be cleaned and mess-free. Because we don't want a messy house. Do you want a messy house?
Yeah.
No, you don't.
We want the poop house.
You don't want a poop house.
Yeah, we do want a poop house.
Really? Alright, give me the blocks, please. Si Arlo yung tumulong sa akin nito kanina. Bait-bait ng dudong ko. Isa-isa niya talagang pinulot sa floor. Alright, give it to me, please. What's Arlo doing? Baka nakatulog na yun sa couch, ate. Hindi din ako kasi nag-edit. Kasi yung mata ko nga, gumaganon-ganon pa din. O, tas weekend din, meron tayong, tatay na. Kaninang pulot-pulot ako ng ba? Nakita na, pulot-pulot ako ng mga laruan. He's away. Pinapahinto ako, ayaw na akong papulutin ng mga laruan. Yun naman yung ginagawa ko araw-araw. Hindi niya lang nakikita. So, kanina pagbaba niya, tululinis si Daddy. Oh no, really? Lips. Okay, chicks. Thank you for the kiss. I love your kisses. Pagod na ako, ate. Hindi pa nga tayo bumababa. Nagbihis lang ako at naglagay ng kunting makeup. Pagod na ako. Sit here so I can do your hair. Come on, princess. Oh, sorry. Can you get the hairbrush, please, there? I don't want to get up. See? Because I'm tired. I'll do your hair. On the second drawer. Yeah, thank you, princess. Malapit na dumating si Sharon from actually, meron pa akong 3 pick up na gagawin. Tapos si Nana na. Next week, Nana will pick you up from school, okay?
Why?
Because she will be back from holiday and she's gonna pick you up. She's gonna help mommy.
Why help mommy?
Because mommy's getting really big, baby, and it's hard, especially with Alo. If it's just me,
Mom, where will Daddy doing Alo Thursday?
No, she's not bringing Alo. She
Why?
will.
Why not bringing Alo?
Because I got Alo. Do you like that idea?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like seeing Nana, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Looks very beautiful. Agoy. Sakit naman nun, be. Ihi na naman ako. Can you see? She's moving a lot.
Hello guys. We are going out for dinner. We are going out for dinner, and then we are going to say, I don't know, we didn't to wear and we didn't have. And then I thought this here, everyone is like this, and then second finger not being told. Then your house is
Change.
and then
Alright, so ito yung dadalhin natin. Ito yung gustong-gusto kong brownies. Yung from Greens, tapos yung triple chalk fudge brownie nila. I will just mix the ingredients, tapos dalhin doon, tapos doon na i-bake. Kasi mas masarap to kapag freshly baked talaga. So, kailangan mo lang 2 eggs, half a cup of butter, and ito, yun lang. O diba? Buti nag-text ako sa kanya. Kaka-text niya lang na nandun na daw si Kat. So, punta na lang tayo doon. Doon na lang natin to gawin. Eh, butter naman daw siya. Pero makaalis na tayo. We'll just bring this as well.
Hey, crop top yan, Besh.
Hindi. Hindi siya crop top. Umaangat lang siya. Grabe naman to si Sis. Hi! Kanina pa pala sila dito. Alas 2.
Nakanood nga kami ng Maharaha.
Ano yan? Yung Indian? Maganda ba?
Ay, grabe.
Kapoy naman daw magbasa.
Kaya, kasi mapufocus ka kasi.
naman kasi.
Paano ako makakafocus dito sa mga anak na to?
Pagtulog na yung anak mo, Day.
Sa phone
Tulog na din ako, Day. Tulog mga anak ko, tulog na din ako.
Ako nga din, akala ko hindi ko ma-appreciate ba? Kasi
Yeah?
hindi magbasa. Yun pala, kailangan mo magbasa kasi kailangan mo focus sa story.
Sige, try natin panoorin yan.
Maganda yung ano daw.
Ano, Maharaha? Maharaha daw, guys.
Nag-ano sa diba ng trending?
Hindi ko alam. Sa inyo ko lang yung nakita eh. Yung sinend ni ano. Ngayon, lalabas na yan kasi narinig na ng phone ko. Ang cute nilang 4, oh. Buyag-buyag. Hello! Natulog si Arlo ng mga 10 minutes sa car.
Ay, may bago siyang relo.
Hindi yan. Galing pa yan Pinas. Ano nga eh. Naglalas talaga sa kanya. Sinusuot niya talaga. Spider-Man! Show Tita Cathy your Spider-Man!
Oh,
Wow! Spider-Man! Oh!
yun yung tinitignan.
Yabang, oh. Oh. Show Tita Cathy and Tita Lyra. Oh. Sus.
Buti hindi niya tinatanggal.
Oh, hindi. Oo.
Cute.
Kanina pa niya yan suot. Nice. I like it, Alo. Wow, Spider-Man.
Can I have it?
No. Ito yung batang walang sharing. Sharing is not caring.
Sharing is not.
Wala. Hindi ako nakabili sisi kahapon.
I couldn't get it yesterday.
I know. Yeah.
Ang sarap sa
It was sold out. Ay, ang bangulay. Yeah, hakad dyan, lay. You guys okay? Oh no, she's got a gun, Ayla. Ang alos ganiya. Ang bango naman. Thank you, Inday.
Yung beef guy ko, nadudurog sa ano.
May kansi pa. Diyos ko. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Wow. Kaya nga, kailan ka ba free this week?
Meron pa rin dito si Kuya, guys.
Ha?
Dito si Kuya.
Ah, galing New Zealand?
20 minutes.
Parang
maybe
sobrang
19.
tubig, besh.
Okay lang yun.
Lugaw kasi yan.
Nagsaing.
Nagsaing.
Nga, fail pa.
Kaya nga, sus, ito nga, nahiya ka naman. Hindi ka nahiya dito sa nagluto pa ng ano. Nagpakulo pa ng beef. Ah, thank you,
Sabi
Inday.
niya pala kayong mag-adjust.
Water?
Kasi sige.
Okay. Grab your water, please.
It's in the bag.
Sarap ng sisig. Masarap dahil. So, anong ginawa mo dito? Niluto mo muna yung pork?
Yeah.
Tapos kinat na maliliit?
Yeah.
Kapoy sa cut. Ano yun? Ay?
Kunti lang.
Kaya nga, konti lang. Pin-air fry mo ba? Or?
Air fry.
Yeah.
Pero hindi, wala akong masyadong gawin nila. Veronica.
Si Dana talaga naghuhugas ng plato, guys. Na, he's almost finished. Si Kat sana maghuhugas na unahan siya ni Dan. Tapos na. He keeps asking for chocolate. There's no chocolate, May. Wala nang chocolate, Arlo. Gusto niya i-open yung fridge nila, Lyra. Humihingi ng tsokolate. Itong batang to. You can leave the dishes, babe. If you can't finish, just leave it.
It will take 2 seconds.
Ayan. Magba-brownies na kami, guys. Nag-request na si Dan. Mag-brownies na daw kami.
Uwi na siya. Pinapagod na siya.
Kaya kakahugas niya dun sa likod. Sabi niya, upo ka lang dyan. Mag-brownies ka kaya.
Galaw daw.
Relax ka dyan. Micro yan kita trabaho.
Ay, last niya na ata.
Yeah. Kapit na siya matapos.
Meron pa kasi sa table eh.
Meron pa kasi doon lalagyan ng sisi. Ubus na.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Takes up all of it for the goodness.
Cute. Makain kami brownies. Ang sarap. In fairness. Gooey.
Weekend.
You have a bubu. Where's your bubu?
Where's your budog?
Where's your bubu?
Bango mo naman dong.
On the knee? Oh, Tita Lyra, kiss it better.
Where is it, Dog?
The knee. Better?
Is it
Better now?
Better now?
What do you say? Alis na kayo?
Kasi may bedsheet. Huwag na tayo.
Give me my money. give me, unsa na? Give me some money. Give me some money. Give me some money. Give me some money. Oh, Arlo, patay na.
Let's do it again.
Give me some money. Yay! I'm cute. Give me some money. Yay! Grabe si Elijah with feelings dyan ba?
Let's do it again.
Give me some money.
Stop. Stop getting the camera.
Share, roll.
I'll go first and then Ida and then like
Alright, go. Take turns.
I see money. No, you. Give me some money. I see money.
Isla's turn. Give me some money.
Give me some money.
Arlo's turn.
Give us some money. Some money. Yeah.
Arlo, go. Give me some money.
Yoga. Okay, so. Money.
Yeah.
Watch it.
Ay, naku ate. Kakarating lang namin guys ng bahay. May pabaon si Inday sa akin. Kasi alam niyo ba, dalawa yung putahe niya. Eh ako kasi, stick to one kasi ako guys, pagdating sa ulam. So yung kinain ko is yung sisig. Hindi ako nakakain ng kansi ni Inday today. So nagdala. Ay, hihingal ako. Dinala ko si Arlo sa taas. Natulog kasi. So very good. One less kid to put to sleep tonight. Kansi, ang dami. Thank you, Inday. My gosh, grabe na yung effort. Napunta lang naman kami kina Lyra para pagod na ako.